Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today is a very exciting video because the company OULAC, who I have worked with previously and absolutely love their products, to be quite honest with you, have reached out to me and asked if I'd like to do a giveaway for my viewers. So of course I absolutely jumped at the chance because I always love to give something back to you, and it is a good one. So they also very kindly gifted me some new products to try, so I thought we'd do a bit of a bit of a Christmas look again today. I have done one recently, but I'll be using these products instead, and some liquid eyeshadows as well because I absolutely love their liquid eyeshadows. So I'm going to start putting makeup on and then I'll run through the rules of the giveaway, etc. with you as we're going along. So I'm going to start off by doing eyes. So we're going to go on with these here. So these are the Liquid Diamond liquid eyeshadows. I did use a couple of these in my last video and I got on really well with them. I used a couple of matte ones and a couple of shimmers, and they're really nice and they didn't crease whatsoever either. So with it being Christmas themed, I went for these two colours here. How beautiful do these look? So we've got kind of like a bit of a red one and a gold one here. So the red one is called Red Star and the gold one is called Gold Babe. So I think I'm going to do a kind of a winged out-ish look. I'm going to try it anyway. I've never done anything like this. Right, so I'm going to take some of this on the back of my hand. So we're going on with the Red Star first, so like that. Then I'm going to take quite a small pencil brush and we're going to use this to kind of get the shape. Change of plan, I'm going to start off by doing this bit with a straight brush or an angled brush. I'm going to take it to there because I'm going to do gold on the front part. So what I'm going to do is just fill this in with the rest of the red. So the prize is a $150 voucher to spend across the OULAC website. This is only available to UK residents only, I'm afraid. But yeah, you can choose whatever you want across the website and they have some really amazing products, I must say. Sorry, I just had a massive coughing fit. I had a really dry throat. So yeah, that's where I got to anyway. That looks really cool. I really like that. And then I'm going to take the gold one and we're going to use that one on the other half, so the inner part. And then I'm going to kind of blend them together. So taking Gold Babe now. See, this has got a little bit of red in it as well. So I think they'll go quite nice because this red is a bit duochromy with gold. So I think they'll kind of go really well together. It's a really nice gold, actually. It's a proper like Christmas gold, like a yellow gold. Sorry, I'm aware that I keep cutting the camera off with the back of the mirror because this look I thought was going to be quite easy, but it's actually taking so much concentration. Okay, so we're kind of looking like that. It's not quite as a sharp, as in an opaque gold, as I thought it was going to be. So I think what I'm going to do is just take a little bit of my highlighter and just pat over that, almost to set it down and to kind of fill it in a little bit, if that makes sense. Yeah, I've got this one from Beauty Bay palette, which is quite dark for me. So I will use this one. Yeah, that's better. See, it's kind of setting it down a bit and you can still see that really nice sparkle showing through from the liquid eyeshadow, but it just kind of makes it a bit more opaque. And then I'm literally taking my finger just to kind of go where the join is, just to blend the two together there. Yeah, that's actually really cute. I like that. And then I've just added some of that liquid eyeshadow glitter back over the top and just patted it over just to kind of make that the main focus of that colour rather than the shadow that I obviously used. Oh yeah, sorry, the giveaway. Like I say, this eyeshadow look has taken so much concentration, more than I thought, and I can't talk at the same time. I can't talk anyway by the sound of it. So yeah, UK subscribers only, I'm afraid. There is a $150 voucher to win, which you can use across the OULAC website. You do need to be subscribed to my channel because this is obviously a giveaway that's open to my subscribers. And I think it's only fair that you also subscribe to OULAC as well. So you need to subscribe to them. And basically, just pop in the comments below as you're watching this video what your favourite product is that I've used today. So next I have this eye crayon. So this is in the shade Golden Hour. I think I'm going to pop this on my inner corners because I believe it's kind of a bit of a champagne-y colour. So this is what it looks like. Very nice, yeah. And this is the crayon itself. So it's kind of like really nice actually. It's a really nice champagne-y colour. So what I'm going to do is just stick this right on my inner corners. Like that. Just take a little round brush and we'll just blend that out a little bit actually. Do you know what? This is really nice and kind of a little bit of a sticky formula. It would actually make a really nice eyeshadow base. Brilliant. So that's the eyes now done. So I've also got this to try, which is a lavender Pro Misty Filter Loose Powder. So I think we might try this under my eyes. So that's what the packaging looks like there. And then it's this one. So it's Zero Lavender. So it's a bit of like, you know, these pink powders at the moment. And we've got a little puff in there. So I'm going to take a little bit of this. About that much, so not much at all because I don't use a lot of powder. And what I'm going to do is take a pinky coloured concealer and we'll pop a little bit of this under my eyes. Just a tiny amount. And I'll just take my sponge and just blend that in. And then I'll take a small brush and just tap a lot of the excess off. Actually, that's actually really nice. Yeah, it hasn't actually caked. If I pull that down, it's not settled into my fine lines. The reason I don't use powder very often is because it does emphasize my kind of my under eye wrinkles, shall we say. But any powder does that. So yeah, looking at whether it's actually settled or not, it hasn't. So that's a really good thing. So lastly, we're going to do lips. So I have a few lip products here, but I think I'm going to go for red. So that one is the Diva Kiss Matte Kiss Proof Lipstick. I love these. I've got a really nice shade. I can't remember the name of the shade. It's the one I did in the last video. And it is absolutely stunning. Really nice. They last so well as well. Look at that red. It's a really nice, like a deep Christmas red. So I think I'm going to use that one. I might, over the top, go in with Star Quality, which is a gloss, but this is one of their Crystal Shine glosses. So it's like that. It actually looks really pretty. It's kind of a bit nude, but I don't think it's that opaque. I think it's kind of like, you know, it'd make a nice topper. I've also got this one, which is Trophy Boy, which is also a beautiful colour. This one's a bit more of like a rusty red, I think, or like an orangey red. Oh, it is actually quite orangey, and it's got like little gold flecks in it as well. See, that's really pretty as well. Yeah, that is really nice. But it actually reminds me of, you know, the honey lips trend at the moment. I really want to go for red because, yeah, I want to make this a real Christmassy look. So that's what we're going to do. So as I say, I'm going to start off with this one, which is Diva Kiss. And very bravely, I'm going to go straight onto my, oh, such a nice colour. I'm going to go straight onto my lips with it. It's very brave for a red. Oh my goodness, this is a gorgeous red. Oh, just look at that. That is the stunningest. I've got lipstick on my teeth. That is the most beautiful red. It is so rich. I love that. Stunning. Really, really nice. I almost don't want to go on with this, but I want to at the same time because I want to see what it's like. I'm just going to let it dry down. Yeah, it's still a bit wet. We'll just let that dry down and then we'll go on with the gloss. Okay, so that's pretty much dried down now. So we'll go on with this, what was this one? Star Quality. So, I don't really have a smell. I think, oh, see, it's really nice and gold. I'm going to kind of pop it on like that. Then use my finger. So it's quite subtle. You can't really see the gold. Well, you can. You can in the mirror. I don't know if it's coming across on camera though. It doesn't seem to be. But yeah, it's really pretty. I think it would be gorgeous on its own as well. Let's try and swatch it and see what it's like on my hand. It's kind of like that. You can just see that. So it's like a champagne-y colour. So yeah, a really nice topper. But I think on its own it would look, you know, really nice as kind of like a real natural look as well. So there we go. There's my little Christmassy look using the OULAC Cosmetics makeup. Yeah, absolutely lovely as always. Really nice products. I do actually have the foundation on today as well, which I also really love. So just a quick reminder of the rules for today's giveaway. I will pop them in the description box below for you as well. But you need to be subscribed to myself and OULAC, and just pop in the comments below what your favourite makeup product was that I used today. So as I say, this is only open to UK residents and the closing date will be a week today. So it will be next Monday, which is the 18th of December at 6 PM GMT. So as always, the product shown in today's video, I will also link in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I'd really appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me. If you did enjoy watching this video and you'd like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!